In this video, I'll show you how to sell a covered call on Webull. First, open the Webull app or visit the Webull website and sign into your account. Make sure your account is approved for options trading and that you already own at least 100 shares of the stock you want to use for the covered call. Now, search for the stock and open its details page. Tap or click options to view the available option contracts. Next, select the expiration date you want to use. Then, choose the call option and select a strike price that matches your trading strategy. After that, tap or click on the call option and choose sell. Make sure the order is set as a covered call if Webull displays that option automatically. Enter the number of contracts you want to sell. Remember that one options contract represents 100 shares of stock. Now, review the premium you'll receive, the maximum profit, and the potential obligation to sell your shares if the stock price reaches or exceeds the strike price before expiration. Check all the order details carefully before continuing. Finally, tap or click Submit to place your covered call order. Once the order is filled, you can monitor the position from your options portfolio until it expires, is closed, or is assigned. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell a covered call on Webull. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.